My name is Vinod Mullasseril. I am CEO and founder of Indeeya. Welcome to Innovate Bharat. India ERP MES system is built with the global best practices. So all these global best practices are given to the MSME companies, and we are not just stopping there. What we are doing is we are handholding these MSME companies into a 24 months manufacturing transformation accelerator program. Over the 24 months, what we are targeting is all these companies need to produce 40% extra, and the cost what they are going to incur is net zero cost. That's our commitment what we are giving. India offers a manufacturing ecosystem for the MSME companies in India. What we are doing is it's a net zero cost manufacturing ecosystem. Every Indian MSME can afford to have this system now. The first barrier was cost. That cost barrier is already taken away by us. Now it's only the adaptation by the MSME companies in India.